5 bagay na dapat mong tigilan to become successful and rich Filipino in Australia or kahit saan man sa mundo. Unang-una, tigilan ang pwede na mentality. Dito sa Australia, quality matters. Hindi pwede yung pwede na yan o okay na yan na trabaho. Iwan mo na sa Pinas yung ganitong style. Here in Australia, most people want quality over substandard work. Nakarating na tayo dito sa Australia, mas galingan na natin. Pangalawa, tigilan ang crab mentality. Don't hate on other people's success, lalo na yung kapwa nating Pinoy. Hindi mo naman ikahihirap kung susuportahan mo yung success ng iba. In my experience, the more I support and praise other people, the more blessings I get as well. Let's do our best to support each other. Ikatlo, tigilan ang kayabangan. Hindi mo kailangan magmukhang mayaman. Don't buy a lifestyle you cannot afford just to look successful. Nagmumukha ka lang tanga, promise. Mahirap matulog sa gabi na feeling mayaman ka, pero sa totoo lang, hindi mo na alam kung paano mo babayaran yung mga utang mo sa credit card o afterpay. Build real wealth. Invest in assets, huwag sa kayabangan. Number 4, tigilan ang pagpapautang. Wala kang balon ng pera at hindi ka naman ATM machine. Set financial boundaries. Build an emergency fund. Say no when needed. And learn to prioritize your own growth. Your savings are supposed to save you sa mga panahon na medyo taghirap. Other people's emergency is not your emergency. At panglima, tigilan ang sahod, padala, kawawa lifestyle. We should help our family, but you need to help yourself and build your future too. Alam ko na mahal natin yung pamilya natin sa Pinas o kahit saan man sa mundo. Pero may sarili kang buhay, sariling pangarap, sariling goals. Hindi ka naman pinanganak para lang buhayin yung magulang at mga kapatid at kaibigan mo. You were born to live your life as well.